Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to create gallery in WordPress Elementor. So let's just begin. Alright, so to create gallery in Elementor, we don't actually have to install any plugin. We can simply use the Elementor. So for that, I would actually need to create a new page. Okay, so let's click on add new page here. Alright, so let's just add the title to our page. So that would be gallery. Okay, so let's click on edit with Elementor. Alright, so as you can see here, we are inside the Elementor editor. So here what we need to do, we have to search for basic gallery here. Okay, so as you can see here, we have the basic gallery. So let's click on it, or you can also drag and drop this as well. And here, as you can see that we are actually in the content of the basic gallery. Okay, so here you can see the options of the images. And after that, we have the image resolution, columns, links, and lightbox. Okay, so right now let's just add the images into our image gallery. So let's click on the add images, and here we can simply pick the images from our media library. But if you want to upload the new images, you simply go inside the upload files, and from here you can simply upload the new images for your gallery. Okay, so right now I will be using the images from the media library. So let's select this. All right, so I want to go with these 8 images here. Okay, so let's click on create a new gallery. And if you want to add the captions to your image, you can simply add it from here. But I will be skipping this. Okay, so let's click on insert gallery. And this would insert the images into your gallery. So now let's just explore the other options that we have in the image gallery. So the first one that we have is the image resolution. So if you want to change the size of the image, you can simply do it from here. So if I go here with the large size, this would definitely increase the size of our images. But right now I just want to go here with the thumbnail size. And after that, we have the number of columns. I want to go here with the 3 number of columns. And here we have the link. So in the link, you have to select that whether you want to attach your image with the media file or the attachment page or none. Okay, so I would actually go here with the media file. And after that, we have the lightbox. So if I click here, you can see that we have the 2 options, whether it would be yes or no, or we can go here with the default value. And in the last, we have the order by. So if you want to change the order, you can simply change it from here. So let's select the random here. Okay, so that is looking fine now. And if I go inside the style, you will be able to see the option of the spacing and the border type and the border radius. And we also can see the caption here as well. All right. So let's click on the images here. So if you want to change the spacing, you simply click on custom here. And from here, you can increase or decrease the spacing of your image. Okay, so I would actually go here with the 30 px. And if you want to add the border, you would simply click on the border type. And from here, you can simply select the border type that you want to add. So I actually want to add the solid border type. And from here, I can add the border width, and I can select the border color from here. So I would actually go here with kind of black color. And if you want to add the border radius, you can simply add it from here. So I would simply like to add 10 px from the each side. Okay, so this is looking fine. And right now we haven't added any caption to our images. That is why you can't see the captions here. But here are the settings or the customization that you can do inside the caption. Okay, so now let's just click on the advanced settings here. So in the advanced setting, you can do a lot of the different things. You can set the margin and the padding value, and you can also explore the other options here as well. Okay, so now let's click on the publish. Click on have a look, and you will be able to see the gallery here. Okay, so if you want to add this gallery into the menu, you can simply go back to your WordPress dashboard, and you would need to go inside the appearance, and in the appearance, you would click on the menus. And here what you need to do, you actually have to select the page that we created for the gallery. So that was actually the gallery. Now click on add to menu, and this would add our gallery to the menu. Okay, so if I just click here, if you want to change the navigation level, you can simply change it from here, but I would like to keep it like this. And I just click on save menu. And now if I just go back to our website here, you will be able to see the option of the gallery here. So if I just click on this, we will be redirected to our gallery here. Okay, so that is how it works, and that is how we can add the gallery into the WordPress using Elementor. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.